Mesa by Lennar Homes at a gorgeous NextGen home. Let's go inside and check this home out.
The main home features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The kitchen's a dream come true with upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a custom tiled backsplash. It's an open floor plan, and the great room and eating area feature tile throughout. The main home's master suite features a private entrance to the backyard and an ensuite bathroom with huge shower, double sinks, and walk-in closet. The guest bedroom in the main home is split from the master and features its own bathroom. Your backyard is a blank slate ready for your ideas. The NextGen home features a kitchenette with upgraded cabinetry and stainless appliances as well. The eating area and family room are open to the kitchenette. The NextGen bedroom is private and has its own bathroom with walk-in shower. Cadence is a master plan community with several pools and dozens of parks.
Thanks so much for viewing our Move-In Monday Quick Move-In New Construction Home of the Week. For more information on this gorgeous NextGen home, including current pricing and incentives, please give us a call. And remember, when you use the Ehlen Team to purchase your new construction home, we'll give you a $1,000 closing cost credit. And as always, our services are free to you as a home buyer.